Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tacos easy at home. Making delicious tacos doesn't have to be complicated, and with a few simple steps, you'll have a fantastic meal ready in no time. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final assembly. Get ready to create a flavorful and satisfying dish that everyone will love, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fun family meal. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. Now, let's get that delicious filling cooking. Whether you're using 1 pound of ground meat or 2 cups of black beans, the process is straightforward. Brown your meat or heat your beans thoroughly, then stir in about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to blend together perfectly. This step is key to a truly tasty taco. Next up, let's prepare our tortillas and toppings. Warming your tortillas is crucial for flexibility and flavor. Simply heat them in a dry pan for about 30 seconds on each side. While those are warming, quickly dice 1 onion and 2 tomatoes and get any other toppings ready. Arranging everything on a platter makes assembly a breeze, ensuring everyone can build their perfect taco with ease. Finally, the best part, assembling and enjoying your homemade tacos. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your savory filling into each warm tortilla. Then, pile on your favorite toppings. Think shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, and a generous dollop of sour cream. Serve them immediately while everything is fresh and warm. You've just created a fantastic, easy meal that's sure to be a hit. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.